Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Update TikTok and know whether you want app-only dark or system-wide dark. Open TikTok and sign in. Once done, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu. Make sure to check your device display settings next. Some phones force app appearance. Now, tap Settings and Privacy inside TikTok because that's where appearance controls live. This first step sets the context, so subsequent toggles apply correctly, and you won't chase conflicting system preferences. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, scroll to Accessibility or Display. Different versions place it differently, so look carefully. Tap Appearance or Dark Mode and you'll see three choices: Dark, Light, or Use Device Settings. Select Dark for app-only dark mode to force TikTok's UI to switch. Choose Use Device Settings if you want TikTok to follow your phone's theme. If the change doesn't appear immediately, close the app fully and relaunch it. That refresh often resolves lingering UI cache issues. To finish, navigate your profile, a few videos in the For You feed, and the upload screen to confirm dark mode applied everywhere. If parts remain light, clear TikTok's cache from Settings and Privacy, then relaunch. Make sure your OS theme isn't conflicting. If clearing cache fails, update your device OS, and if needed, reinstall TikTok. That usually fixes persistent issues. One key troubleshooting tip: test on another device to isolate whether it's account, app, or phone-related before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.